The third technique of tie and dye is the ruching technique. In the ruching technique, you take a thread and fold it in 4 halves like that. Keep the thread here and roll the fabric. You can put some stitches here so that the fabric stays. So just leave it loose because you have to remove the thread anyways. Pull the threads which are inside and make like a ruffle. So make it tight like this. It looks like a ruffle. Tie it nicely. Tight. So it will look something like this. Dyeing is the same process. You can dye this in 2 colors also. So first dye in a lighter color, repeat the process, do the same process, and then dye it in a second color. Thank you.